left, we're passing the Road Creamery. I'm not sure why I decided it'd be a good idea to bike by all the dairy farms during a heat wave, but here I am. You can imagine the smell. But gosh, all those cows are so darn cute. How could I resist? Happy summer solstice! So I tried to beat the heat. I kind of failed, if you cannot tell by my face, but it was a glorious run. I love running up at Cathedral Hills. The views are fantastic. Had to play a little bit of a game of, is that poison oak or is that something else? So I'll make sure to put some techno on when I'm in the shower. And now I'm going to go ahead and enjoy my Nash bar. Nash bars are so good. Yeah, they're delicious. My dad sends them to me. They're made in Ohio, where he's from. And so if you're looking for a good protein bar, definitely go ahead and check them out. Youngstown, Ohio, Nash Bar. This one is blueberry, coconut, cashew. There's also some good chocolatey ones and peanut butter ones. All right. Now I'm gonna run a few errands on the way home, take a cold shower, and chill out in the heat of the day. So now that I'm back from my run and doing some errands, it is time to refuel, and my dad must be the theme of the day because I had a Nash bar that he had sent me after my run for a quick refuel before I got home, but now I'm eating a salad out of a bowl that he made for me. So, hey Dad, thinking of ya. And inside my salad, I have lots of good stuff. I have an assortment of greens, then I have chickpeas, onions, pepitas, sweet potato, pickled carrots, jalapenos, and then a tahini goddess dressing. So I'm going to dig in, refuel, so that I'm ready to go tomorrow, because tomorrow I believe I have a speed workout. If it's not tomorrow, it's on Thursday. So yeah, time to dig in. Just finishing up warm up, and now it's time to hit some tempo, cool down. I'm gonna get back to the car for the AC, some breakfast, water, and then a cold shower. I don't normally stop during a long effort speed workout, but my watch was wonky, so it added on probably 3/4 of a mile of effort by not tracking what was previously done. And I thought this was a good excuse to stop. Just have to remember some of the things that we're grateful for. And this ribbon here, I won't read it all, but essentially this bell was put here in memory of, or in honor of, a liver donor. And so organ donation is an amazing thing. I encourage everyone to look into that, and also to take a moment to be grateful for what you have. Ring the bell and think about something I'm grateful for. I encourage you to take a moment to think about what you're grateful for as well. Okay, time to hit the trail again. Woke up this morning with some knee and hip tightness, a little bit more than what I would say feels like a normal soreness. So I've decided to go ahead and take the morning off from running. Maybe later on I'll go, but I'd rather err on the side of caution especially as I'm just starting to ramp up my training, and I really do not want to become injured. So doing some stretching and rolling out this morning, took some vitamin I, and now I'm gonna head down to the river to try to stay cool on this brutally hot day. So there was nothing glamorous about my run this morning, but this is glamorous. It's gonna be about 120 degrees in Grants Pass today, and here we are in Brookings, Oregon. It's nearly half that temperature, and this is super significant because we parked at the trailhead, which will be the halfway point, the turning around point of Secret Beach 100K. So this is pretty special, and this is why I run. Amazing.
Let's go down here. That's a good place to get down.
That does not look like a good place to get down. All right, you guys. So week 2 of training for my first 100K in the books. For those of you who don't know, I am training for the Secret Beach 100K here on the Southern Oregon coast. I'm doing a 16-week block, and 2 weeks are up, so I have 14 weeks left to go towards goal race, and I hope to post something every Monday, which as of now is my rest day, so it's a really great time to get creative, do some video editing, and post a video for you guys. So yeah, feel free to follow along my journey. Go ahead, ask me questions, let me know what you'd like to see, and I'll see you back here next week. Bye.